It was horrible, Your Honor, it really was. I was being picked on, staff was listing
Let me have you raise your right hand. You want to raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? You need to say yes or no.
Yes, ma'am, I sure do.
All right, state your name for the record.
Christopher Lee Collins.
All right, so why do you have excessive violations?
Because I was being picked on, Your Honor. I was being picked on by all the peers. I was being stolen. My stuff was getting torn up. I told staff numerous times. I told directors numerous times.
Okay, you need to slow down
Sorry.
so that the court reporter can hear you, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Sorry about this. Look,
That's okay.
Your Honor, I was being picked on by all the peers there. My stuff was getting tampered with. My stuff was getting stolen. I told the staff this. Staff was not looking, they have all those cameras inside the unit for what I don't even know. Okay, they said it's for our safety, but then none of the cameras were being looked at. Okay, I had a puzzle book out. I was in isolation one day. I had a puzzle book out. It got torn up. Okay, I told the staff this. The director's supposed to look at it. The director's supposed to do their job.
You're still talking too fast.
Sorry.
Let's make Brenna's job easy today. She has to write down everything that you're saying.
Oh, sorry, my bad. Ma'am, I was being picked on. I was being ridiculed by residents. I told the directors this. I told staff this, and staff was not paying me no mind.
All right. So, have both parties read this violation report?
Yes, Judge.
All right. So, Mr. Collins. No. Mr. Collins, let me just tell you what I'm reading here in the violation report. It says the probationer has been observed to struggle with combative behavior and verbal aggression, i.e., excessive profanity and racial comments towards peers and staff. The probationer has acquired several infractions for using inappropriate language towards staff and peers. In an effort to implement progressive sanctions, periods of restriction have been implemented, however, without success, as the probationer continues to find self in situations where challenging and verbally aggressive behavior is displayed. In addition to verbal aggression, the probationer has been addressed for continued pro-drug talk, as the probationer reports a continued desire to use marijuana upon treatment release. The probationer has been observed to display continued resistance in his program, reporting the legal system is flawed and stupid. The probationer has continued to make efforts to dictate how he feels his treatment should be and argues with staff when instructed otherwise.